The Water Quality Center at Trent University is a state-of-the-art mass spectrometry lab dedicated to research method development and the analysis of very low levels of inorganic and organic contaminants in the environment. We have two continuous flow isotope ratio mass specs. One is dedicated to carbon-nitrogen isotope ratio analysis, and the other one is dedicated to delta O18 and deuterium analysis. In addition, the Horizon Continuous Flow GC mass spec enables us to do compound-specific isotope analysis, which can be used for environmental forensics, for example, to determine if PAH contamination is from natural sources or from anthropogenic activities. The Variant 820 ICP mass spec is used for analyses requiring very low detection limits, parts per trillion or even parts per quadrillion, and for integration with chromatographic separations, for example, measure radium levels in water. The X-Series 2 is a quadrupole ICP mass spec with collision cell technology. Using the collision cell to remove interferences from the mass spectrum, this instrument is very well suited for the detection of transition metals in all environmental media, including water, sediments, soil, and biologic material. The Atom is a high-resolution magnetic sector ICP mass spec and is used to measure ultra-trace levels of metals, parts per trillion, and lower. Because of its high sensitivity, it's also well suited for accurate measurements of isotope ratios, such as lead, even for samples that contain as little as 0.1 parts per billion of lead. The Neptune is a high-resolution multi-collector ICP mass spec. It's the go-to instrument for ultra-high precision isotope ratio analyses of metal isotopes. Applications range from tracing environmental contaminants such as lead, mercury, and zinc, and tracing nutrient sources in the oceans, to measuring stable as well as radiogenic isotope ratios in geological and cosmological samples. In addition to the ICP mass specs, we have several mass spectrometers suitable for organic analyses. The QTOF-2 is a quadrupole time-of-flight instrument capable of performing MS and MS-MS scans, in addition to high-resolution accurate mass determinations. It's ideal for the analysis of unknowns using accurate mass measurements and tandem mass spec for structure elucidation. The Saturn 2200 is a 3D ion trap mass spec coupled with a gas chromatography system. This instrument is useful for analyses of volatile and semi-volatile organics. The GC is also equipped with an electron capture detector, and it's useful for the analysis of halogen-containing organics, such as PCBs or dioxins. The API 3000 is a triple-quad organic mass spec and is coupled with an LC and auto sampler. The 3000 is a workhorse for the quantitation of trace organic contaminants, and with a mass range of 5 to 3,000 Daltons, it's also used in the Water Quality Center for investigating protein-ligand interactions. The QTRAP 5500 is the most sensitive organic mass spectrometer in the Water Quality Center. Operated in multiple reaction monitoring mode, this hybrid triple-quad linear ion trap is the go-to instrument for determining trace organic contaminants such as pharmaceuticals and personal care products and targeted metabolomics. When using the linear ion trap, the 5500 can be used for the identification of unknowns. We welcome the opportunity to help you solve your analytical problems. We will do method development and sample analysis. Don't let the name fool you. We can analyze water, atmospheric particles, soils, sediments, rocks, feathers, eggs, fur, and most biologic material. The Water Quality Center at Trent University.